The last route on my way from Texas to Florida was the path between Tallahassee and Miami. I was about to drive through the whole day and spend at least 12 hours doing that. In this video, I'm going to show you how I did it. I stayed in a very small local hostel in Tallahassee and continued my way towards Miami. It was a nice place to stay with nice people and cool atmosphere. You will find the link to this property in the description. I arrived to this hostel at 3 a.m. in the morning and there were no workers available to receive me. Everything was absolutely quiet. I tried to call them, but nobody answered. Then I went through the back door, found a room with an empty bunk, got in and fell asleep. That was it. This is how you get the modern self-check-in service in action, guys. I stayed there for 2 days and 2 nights. When the time was up, I grabbed my breakfast in the morning, said goodbye to the owners and ran away.
Freelancing, app work, and making money online, technical and IT reviews, software development tutorials can be found right on this channel. The same amazing channel is even available in Russian. Please write in the comments in what particular topic are you guys interested in. The primary purpose of this channel is to demonstrate the lifestyle of an entrepreneur who travels all around the world making a living through software development and information technologies.
The first stop on my way to Miami was a small city called Jacksonville. I went to the ocean side of that city, the first time since I left the United States 18 years ago. It was quite impressive to see the Atlantic Ocean again, but this time it was more than the usual scene that it had witnessed for the first time back in the New York City area. I was pretty lucky to observe how the spacecraft are launched from the Cape Canaveral. I was able to see a launch with a big group of other people right at the beach. It was really interesting and I had never seen such a thing before.
Finally I arrived to Miami City. It's absolutely empty around here. It was a long way, I'm pretty tired. And right now I'm gonna get back to my hostel and get some sleep. So I spent 2 hours in search of parking in the area of Miami Beach. It's a complete disaster in this area. It's impossible to find any parking, and as discovered later, they don't have any free parking in here. So you have either to pay or to have a guest permit, guest ticket, something like that. Otherwise it's impossible to park in here. Ladies and gentlemen, I finally arrived to Miami City. I'm so glad I'm here, but it's a little bit unexpected that the city is absolutely empty. So I'm running through the streets alone. Again, I'm pretty glad that I'm here. It was a long way. I spent almost the whole day driving, but now I'm here and I will see what's going to happen next, guys.
I put a lot of time and effort into making these videos. I would really appreciate it if you'd consider subscribing to my channel. If you would like to contact or hire me or my team, the links are there in the description.